Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be debadging the Polo. All you will need is some dental floss and some dishwashing liquid. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so pour some dishwashing liquid into a little cup or a container for yourself. You're going to want to take about 30 centimeters of tooth floss. Break that off. Get this all nice and soapy. You don't have to drench it in, just get a good layer of it on there. It's still moving a bit. Okay, let's try this one. Oh. You want to keep pulling, kind of basically cutting the back of the sticker, like that. It's almost there. There you go. I'm just going to put some soap on the corners here. There you go. Okay, I feel like this is going to snap very soon. Yep, there you go. All right, there you go. Nice and easy. All right guys, so after you've removed your plastic emblems, you'll want to get rid of these stickers. So you can either just scratch them, get rid of them all like this, or you can use a little plastic scrubbing tool you have that won't be scratching or damaging your car. And then after this, you'll want to wash it. I'll quickly clean these up, show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll get rid of these yellow lines as best as we can. The car has officially been debadged. Really digging this look. It's nice and sleek, very nice and clean finish. Yeah, that oven clean ended up working a charm, very nice. So yeah, if you've got oven clean, use that to get rid of all the sticky stuff because it looks amazing, and to get rid of all those yellow marks. But yeah, I'm very surprised with how good the paint came out because there's not even a tint of white paint underneath the lettering, which was a surprise to me because I thought the paint that's been under the sticker would be a bit whiter than the actual body paint, but yeah, it actually came out really nice. So yeah, next up we've got the diffuser coming. That's coming in about 3 weeks time. Should be arriving here in Perth, and then I can install the rear diffuser. Up here in the front, I've reordered a set of VLAN headlights. They're actually coming on Wednesday, so I've finally got them coming. But yeah, unfortunately it's not the UU headlights that I was after in the last video, but we'll probably rock these VLAN headlights, the original ones, for I would say a couple of months, and then we'll get those UU headlights because I couldn't find a link that actually sold them for the VW Polos. I could only find ones that sold ones for the Golf. So I opted in for those original VLAN headlights. They're coming on Wednesday, but after about 2 days after I bought them, there was a lady that sent me a link to the ones for the Polo. So we'll probably end up buying them in the future. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And yeah, let's see how the build goes. that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, hit up the Polo build on YouTube. Thanks, guys.